Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to file in tax using WealthSimple. So WealthSimple is only available in Canada and you can only access it in Canada, right? So visiting the WealthSimple website and signing up your free account, you can do it from the login or just click on start filing here. It will ask your email and password, then you will be inside the website. Then you have to collect all these relevant documents. These documents are T4 slip, that is employment income, T5 slip, investment income, receipt for medical expenses, charitable donations, and childcare expenses. If you have a CRMI account, you can use this autofill feature to import your tax slip directly into your Simple. After that, input personal details. Once you input it here, you have to also report incomes, which you can see here. So these are the important things which you need to have handy. You can pause this video and you can read all this important depending upon for this year, right? And after that, you can also claim deductions and credits, right? So here I mentioned some of the checklists, so make sure you go through this, right? This is really simple, but this is as well as very important, and this is from the same company, Simple. They have mentioned it on their website. Right now here, this is a get started with Simple. You can also go through it. They have mentioned everything exactly good. Now once you have to review your returns and submit your returns. After reviewing, navigate to the submission selection on Simple. Click tax on submit tax return to electronically file your return by net file, which connect to directly to the CRA. Using a CRMI accounts or call the CRA to check the status of your return after submission. Simple offers a pay what you want model for a basic plan, allowing user to file up to two returns at the no cost if they choose. And if you encounter any issues, you can always contact their customer support, and they are really good at it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.